We're gonna go over the 9-foot roll-up garage door. Standard. 9 foot wide, 7 foot tall. Got your lock. Got a couple of slots for a deadbolt, a lock so nobody can break in. Got your handle. Got your rubber seal at the bottom. We also have this recessed tread plate. It's a little bit different design than what you see on most of the tread plates for portable buildings. What this does is it goes below the floor, and as you can see on your roll-up doors, they're just a roll-up door. They're not a sealed garage door. So a good storm, water comes in, rolls down, and hits this tread plate. Now if the tread plate was just even with the floor, that water would just go into your building. With this tread plate, it hits your floor and it rolls back out of the building because of this lip right here. Keeps all your stuff dry. A nice little addition to the roll-up garage door. If you are having problems with your roll-up door going up and down, the first thing you need to check for is get you a level, set it right here, and make sure that your barn is still level. Because if the barn gets off level, your ground settles and shifts the barn. It can cause the barn to come off level, and it'll make your roll-up door not function properly. Also, with this, it's the Premier lofted garage. The loft will start 2 feet back and makes room for your roll-up door to fit in there. Also, another thing that can cause your roll-up door to not function properly is if the tensioner is not correct. The tensioner is going to be right here, and you can adjust it with a big Allen wrench, and it will either tighten or loosen the spring in here to make it. One way will make the garage door fall easier. The other way will make the garage door open easier. So you can also adjust that tensioner to your preferences. If you would prefer it to open easier, you can adjust it, or if you prefer it to close easier, you can adjust it to your preferences. But if you're ever running into any issues with your roll-up door not functioning or being too hard to close or too hard to open, you can adjust that and fix it to the way you need it.